Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Sunday. Welcome back to another severe weather update here on Liam's Weather. I am forecaster Liam Kenny, and please be sure that if you are brand new to my channel to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and also be sure to click that like button if you are enjoying the content as well. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a potential major severe weather outbreak that could be happening across the states of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and all across the Deep South as well. This is pretty much the calm before the storm, if you want to say the least. Really not that much going on right now on the radar right now. Just a couple of snow showers and also rain showers here scattered across much of the Pacific Northwest as well. And then also here in the northeastern section of the country, just some scattered snow showers mixing in with some rain there across the states of Pennsylvania, New York State, and also getting there into New England as well. Unfortunately, within this event, there's going to be two possible days for severe weather. That is going to be tomorrow and Tuesday. Here's a look at your SPC Outlook for tomorrow, basically pinpointing out where the Storm Prediction Center thinks that the most severe weather could occur over the day tomorrow. We do have an enhanced risk of severe weather, a 3 out of 5 chance for severe weather in places like Houston, Austin, Pasadena, Waco, and Killeen as well. In your slight risk, we have San Antonio, Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, and Plano. And last but not least, we have Oklahoma City, Corpus Christi, Amarillo, Abilene, and Norman in your marginal risk as well. This is going to be the biggest day for severe weather. We now have a moderate, a 4 out of 5 chance of seeing severe weather in places like Baton Rouge, Jackson, Hattiesburg, Clinton, and Pearl, Mississippi as well. In your enhanced risk, we have New Orleans, Metairie, Lafayette, Tuscaloosa, and Gulfport as well. In your slight risk, we have Montgomery, Alabama, Beaumont, Lake Charles, and Port Arthur. And last but not least, in your marginal risk, we have Birmingham, Hoover, Dothan, Decatur, and also Auburn as well. Taking a look at your CAPE levels, this is CAPE stands for Convective Available Potential Energy, basically pinpointing out where the most available energy is going to be in the atmosphere for thunderstorms to form. Here's a look at your timing right here in the top left hand of your screen. Let's go ahead and start playing this out as you head over the course of the day tomorrow. There's going to be quite a bit of energy here, especially here in southeastern Texas for severe weather. And not only does that stay the same, but it also really increases as you head into southeastern Louisiana as well. Right here on this boot part where we are seeing extremely high CAPE, indicating that there's going to be plenty of energy for severe storms and potentially tornadoes to form. Now the fun begins. Let's go ahead and switch over to our future radar and see exactly how this line of storms is going to play out. Please keep in mind that our upper level low is going to be over here over the Pacific Northwest. Plenty of moisture streaming north here from the Gulf of Mexico, already leading to the very warm and unstable atmosphere here across the Deep South and lower Mississippi River Valley as well. As I just play this out a couple of hours, you can see a very strong upper level low forming right over here over the border of New Mexico and also Texas. Here is that line of storms already forming here in eastern and central portions of Texas. This is just going to be the start of this event. As I play this out, look at this line of storms forming here in extreme southeastern Texas right here. Now we're going to be looking at Lufkin, Houston, east of San Antonio, north of Corpus Christi, and now we're looking at portions of western Louisiana as well. This system is just going to be an absolutely massive storm forming over the next 2 to 3 days. And then look at this squall line that comes right into eastern Arkansas, western Louisiana, eastern Texas right here. This is going to be the line that could produce very damaging hail, very strong winds, and even violent and dangerous tornadoes as well. We could be talking about tornadoes getting as high as the EF3 or EF4 rain, which is nothing that we ever want to see as well. And then eventually this line goes all the way into Mississippi, Louisiana, Alabama, and now we're also seeing scattered showers all the way up into the Ohio Valley as well. So this is just going to be a massive system that will be playing out very, very dangerously over the next several hours. I'm going to go ahead and restart this and just show you exactly how this storm forms over the next several days. Here's our upper level low forming. That line forms in eastern Texas. Widespread scattered storms and potentially even the strong to severe storms there in southeastern Texas, stretching into Louisiana Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama as well. A very dangerous line forming over the next several days as well. Please be sure to share this video with all of your friends, family members, co-workers, anybody you know, especially if they live here in Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, because this is going to be a very dangerous storm that could bring once again the threat for damaging winds, hail, and even very dangerous and violent tornadoes as well.